Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my favorite fidgets, but make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. So first I have this green mesh ball, and then I have this dumpling. And then I have this mini puppet fry. And then I have this really cute mochi that has a little cute llama thing on. And then I have this dog mochi. This monkey splat ball. This jumbo wacky track. So that's all my regular fidgets and the rest of the stuff. Now I'm going to show you my favorite poppets. So we have this crab poppet and this hard shell pineapple poppet. So that's all my favorite fidgets. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Peace.